Over time, technology has progressed, which has led to the improvement in the medical field. This has caused the research in breast cancer to become more advanced and give us new information. Many doctors have found more studies as to the reasons why women get breast cancer, as well as potential risk factors. Many people think they will not get breast cancer if it does not run in the family. However, not all types of breast cancer are genetic. Only approximately 5 to 10% of breast cancers are actually genetic. Many types of breast cancer are caused by outside factors. These genes that cause breast cancer are BRCA1 and BRCA2. All women have these genes, but when they have a mutation, they become harmful. This is only about 10% of people. This, however, does not mean you will be diagnosed if you have a mutation. As technology has advanced, researchers have now thought it is mutations in single-stranded chromosomes called single nucleotide polymorphisms that are leading to a higher risk of cancer. A person will have a higher chance of getting these mutations if they have family history in both breast cancer and ovarian cancer on the same side of the family. Cancers such as thyroid, colon, and pancreatic are common. Things that could cause breast cancer can be related to how one is eating, whether they are dieting, gaining weight, or even losing weight too fast. At one time, I believe wholeheartedly in my diet as a means of helping my body minimize the risks of cancer reoccurrence. I now look at everything I eat in a very mindful way, asking myself, how does this food nourish me? How does it promote my recovery? By asking myself these questions, I am acknowledging that food nourishes both the body and the soul, said Diana Dyer, MSRD. Researchers are beginning to think breast cancer is being caused by the environment, not just outside, but as well as inside environment in your body. In a study done by Oxford, 50 out of 85 chemicals they tested were linked to cancer. However, in 13 of those researchers found a dose-response threshold, meaning the point at which cells start to change when exposed to a certain amount of the chemical. This amount is considered toxic by federal regulations, carcinogenesis. Some of these chemicals also cause genetic mutations. The genetic mutation causes a disruption in DNA repair, which makes the fight against cancer harder, says Dr. William Bison. New testing has also advanced in the sense of new and different ways physicians can determine if someone has cancer, as well as to determine treatment. Doctors using a vein injection to determine if a patient has breast cancer. This is an important development because it is used in younger women. Other things are now being used for people to be diagnosed with cancer, such as blood chemistries, mammograms, chest x-rays, and forensic in situ hybridization test. Each of these tests can determine different types of breast cancer. Each test gives a doctor a better understanding as to what type of breast cancer someone has and the best options for treatment. Treatment options have also advanced. There are many more options, such as chemotherapy, lumpectomies, and targeted drug therapy, as well as clinical trials. Chemotherapy is a treatment that is used to shrink the cancer cells and after surgery in order to help and prevent new cancer cells from reoccurring. A lumpectomy is when the tumor is removed from the tissue. This is considered to be the breast-conserving surgery. Over time, researchers have been able to have a clearer understanding of breast cancer because of how technology has advanced.